client website audit in 20 minutes, the full PDF report and the exact prompt. This is an example of the report that you can send to your clients, or even you can use it yourself. Here we have the website audit for the client, and this is client information. I'm just going to scroll right now down so you'll be able to see exactly what I'm talking about. Here we have the content, so the table of content, we have the verdict, the big picture, problem number 1, problem number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have also the risks, the plan on how to fix, what is really good, and the appendix at the end. I'm going to scroll right now more down so you'll be able to see exactly this report. Here we have the verdict right now in place. Here we have information about the clients. And of course, here we have the problem themselves. So for example, here we have visitors never see the pitch. We have Google and AI Assistant see empty pages. There is no proof anywhere that this company is paying out. And also it is slower and heavier than it is supposed to be. Imagine. So our current Claude agent has identified all these things in just less than 20 minutes. We have also the big picture, just scores and finding. Here we have the site Claude score based on technical SEO, trust and signals, content quality, and AI visibility. Here we have also the findings by severity. I'm just going to scroll down. Then we have problem number 1, of course, with relevant screenshot, because imagine this is the first impression, right? You're going on a site and you see this. Can it be better? Can it be better? Absolutely, yes. So the agent definitely checked exactly what needs to be improved, what needs to be set. So for example, the tour pop-up covers the page and the moment it loads on every visit, on every section of the site. Imagine, so like that, here, the client is losing customers, losing clicks. Who wants that? No one does. You want everyone to get your product, right? And for them to have a nice and smooth experience on your site. So here is an example, again, for problem 1. And what is it talking about? Then problem number 2 on phones, by the way, because desktop and also phones. Imagine on phones. On a phone, the situation is worse than hidden. The pitch does not exist. The mobile page begins with action buttons for games, and the visitors have never played and follow the casino titles and just the rest. But I hope you get the point, right? I mean, desktop and also mobile. And this is fantastic. You can also use this report to close clients. You can also use this report for yourself. Imagine, problem 3, Google and AI Assistant cannot read the site. Wow, big problem, especially in today's age. We have problem number 4, the site is 4 times heavier than it needs to be. After enabling compression, straight away you save 4 times more, 72 to 86% less. Like that, the loading speed will be instant and the users will just love scrolling around or playing whatever games it has on the current site, right? So even this was currently identified. We have problem number 5. There is no reason yet for a stranger to trust this site. Not yet. So there's also a plan about that. It checked also relevant backlinks and also socials, which is also very important in this scope. We have problem number 6, for example, small details that make it look unfinished. And then also with proper annotated, guys, I have not touched anything in the current report. Just for information, everything here was done autonomously in 20 minutes by Claude, and it was Claude Fable. With Sonnet, I think it will do even in 10-15 minutes. And again, also checked about the contact us now here. It checked your critical cookies terms. I mean, they definitely need to fix this. We have 2 risks to deuse before they cost money, because these things can cost money. The site looks like a casino while insisting it is not one. I mean, that's also for EAT purposes. Then we have the plan and what to do in order with relevant priorities. We have here, by the way, as you can now, if you see right now here, we have the action plan. For example, turn on compression and browser caching on the server, because this is critical. For example, we have for who, which is the developer, and then the fixes that needs to be fixed. Like that, it is set full on for the next 30 days. We have also what is already good, of course, because we need to mention that. And then at the end, the appendix, evidence, and the method itself that was used. So here we have also the verification and also the appendix, as I mentioned before. The full technical audit. Serves, responses, checksums, compression tests, scroller view, security headers, prioritized lists. We have the page-by-page table for all 12 addresses, titles, descriptions, labels, word counts, and also for the page issues. We have also word count per page, severity-rated design. We have also social platform checks with proof, and also 36 captures, which is basically desktop and mobile. How cool is that? It's an 18-page report done in less than 20 minutes, only using Claude. No APIs, no subscriptions, no SEMrush, no data for SEO, no Ahrefs. Yeah, full on just Claude with only one skill to it, which is also free. Claude SEO, everyone. I think you watching this video already know about this, but if you haven't, please check it out. I have also my videos there. It's Claude SEO. It's free. It's open source, and I have updated it 2 days ago, and also currently 12,000 stars. So I think this speaks by itself. So how can you create this sort of report? Because we want to have this sort of report, guys. It's there, by the way, it's free, it's for you. I made a post on my free school community, which is the AI Marketing Hub. AI Marketing Hub is the school.com/AI Marketing Hub about. You can check the link. I'll also put it down in the description just for information. And here, you'll just need to join. It's free. Boohaha. It's free, guys, really. I mean, I'm not fluff here. I don't have nothing to sell here to you. I just want to make you better and I want you to grow. And then afterwards, maybe if you want, you can join a pro community. But here I made a post, which is named the client website audit. Maybe if you join in future and this post is not here, don't worry. You just go here to search. And here you need to put client website audit. Yep, in search. And straight away, we're going to find the current post. You will just need to click on this post. And here you will find the current post as I mentioned before. So once again, just to tell you what this post is about and in general what this report is about and what it does is, and what I did, I ran a full-on audit on client platform, which I just showed you right now here. 5 AI agents in parallel. They checked for SEO, content, UI, screenshots, marketing, page inventory, and the result was the current PDF. So here I have put, once again, the example of the current report that I just showcased you. And here you will have these two parts here. Is the website audit master prompt. One is a markdown for an AI agent, and one is for you to see. And also, of course, for me to understand and to explain you exactly what's going on here in the background. So this is the prompt that you will need to feed to your AI agent, that being Claude Code. Here we're going to have the website audit master prompt. Here we have a reusable execution prompt for full website audits, parallel specialist reviews, evidence files, annotated screenshots, validated charts, and owner-ready Times New Roman PDF report. Of course, you don't need to make it Times New Roman. If you want to have something else or in a different style or color, you can also do that. I mean, it's just a piece of cake. It's another prompt. It works for any site, that being SaaS, e-commerce, services, agencies, and platforms. It's fresh, by the way, guys. I made it just today. We have the website audit master prompt. Here we have the reusable prompt for producing a full owner-ready website audit, parallel specialist reviews, evidence file, annotated screenshots, charts, and professional Times New Roman PDF report. We have the prompt within. So here we have the inputs. Here we have the ground rules. Here we have part 1. We have part 2. We have part 3, part 4, but phase 5, 6, and 7. And then the end is the notes to the operator also. Here is also if the AI Marketing Hub library or Cloud SEO or Cloud Blog Ad skill packs are installed, route them through those skills. But if it's not, it will also work without that, guys. So you don't need even to install that Cloud SEO, also just for information. But of course, I strongly advise it because it will gonna help you a lot to rank today, in today's world. Now, how can you set up the current prompt, the current brain? Once again, it's super, super simple. First, of course, you will need to create a folder. Going here, I'm gonna create right now a folder, element client, demo, right? Client demo folder. I have it here. And inside this folder, you will need to launch your Claude Code. Yep. So I will launch my Claude Code in terminal. You can launch your Claude Code, in VS Code or Antigravity or Claude Desktop. It's totally up to you. I like terminal because for me, it's just, oops, I even clicked my mic. It's nice and simple. So here I have Claude, right? Currently, this Claude is a Sonnet 5. And what I can do, I can just go here. I can press on download this prompt. I can drop it here and I can just say, hey there, I wanted to check the current master prompt and I want you to help me with a report for the current website, for example. And here I can put example.com, right? Just for the sake of this demo. And that's it, everyone. Right now, you will just need to wait 20 minutes. Your agent will want to pop up for you this sort of master report. Will it look ideal from the first time, depending on the agent that you use? But yes, I mean, that one, I would say yes. But of course, if it has missed something, you can just review and just reprompt it once again. Hey, have you followed everything in this report? For example, in this prompt. And it will do it. I mean, Codex and Claude, especially Fable and Soul, they have high capabilities and they're very good, especially at creating these sort of things. So that's it. I mean, this is how you set it up. You just create a folder, you run Claude Code inside, and you feed the current markdown prompt. You can put it here. So once again, how you can find it is you write this. I mean, you will need to join the community. You write this in the search, and then you're going to find this post, or you don't even need to join the community because it's public. You can just find it straight away there. And that's it, guys. This is how you create super crazy, beautiful, sexy reports for your clients and also for yourself. Yeah, it's not only for clients, it's also for yourself. And then you can work on that. What you can do with it, you can just prompt your agent once again that did the report like, hey, fix everything. accordingly, by phases, and it will fix it. Of course, you will need to review all the fixes as they go, but it will do that. I mean, it's not an impossible task for Claude or Codex because they're fantastic at doing this current job. So guys, this is how you can craft a client website report in 20 minutes, by the way, very fast and very simple with your agent. You will just need to you need to feed this markdown, put it in the website and let it cook. And that's it. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. Sorry if my ending was very bad. I mean, because, yeah. Anyway, guys, join my community. It's there, it's free. And whenever you're ready, maybe if you have closed the client with the current report, then of course, feel free to join our pro community because it's going to help us also like evolve even more and more. Anyway, thank you so much for watching and take care. Have a good day and rock on those reports. Whoa.